Hello and welcome back to Ganesh Institute channel. So in this video we are going to discuss another thing in interpolation, which is Newton divided difference. It is a method when you have unequal intervals. You know, we have been doing so many formulas, we have been using so many formulas in so many questions when we are given with equal intervals. Like if you are given with if x is 5 and then another thing is 10, 15, then equal interval is 5, we know. And we can use those formulas by putting value h is 5, right? But what if unequal interval is given, just like in this question, 5, thereafter 6, thereafter 9, so unequal interval is there, right? So in that sense, what you need to do, you can apply Newton divided difference, and how it works is like this. So first of all, find out the operator for Newton divided difference, and that works like, so basically what we have been doing in Newton forward or backward formula, 13 minus 12, right? Final minus initial value. So 13 minus 12, but another thing is we need to divide the values, the final and initial values of x as well. So this is 6 minus 5, okay? Then you have got 14 minus 13 divided by 9 minus 6, okay? Then you have 16 minus 14 divided by 11 minus 9, right? So you have got 13 minus 12 is 1, 6 by 5 is 1, 14 minus 13 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3, 16 minus 14 is 2, 11 minus 9 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1, right? Then another higher order operator is, again subtract this 3 minus 1 divided by, now see, if you see, it is covering these three values, right? These two values, 1 and 1 by 3 are covering these three. So skip the middle one, take these two values, 9 minus 5, okay? Then for this value, 1 minus 1 by 3 divided by, again this is covering these three values, so skip 9, 11 minus 6, okay? So what you've got, 1 minus 3, if you take LCM, 1 minus 3 is minus 2 by 3, then 9 by minus 5 is 4, so this has become 1 by 6, right? So let me write minus 1 by 6 directly. So now here, if you see, take LCM, 3 1s are 3, 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3, 11 minus 6 is 9, right? So you have got 11 minus 6 is 5, sorry. So this has become 5, right? So 2 by 15, right? Let me erase it, and it has become 2 by 15, right? Another operator. Now take these two values to 2 by 15 minus 1 by 6, which will be 1 by 6, right? And then divide by. Now if you see, these two values are for all these values, so just take extreme values only, that means 11 and 5 for denominator, difference of these two, okay? So what it has become, 6 and 15 LCM is 30, 15 to the 30, 2 to the 4, plus 6 5s now, 11 minus 5 is 6, of course, so this is 6. Now 9 by 30 into 1 by 6, 3 to the 6, 3 is a 9, 3 tens are, so it has become 1 by 20, right? So let me write down directly 1 by 20 over here, okay? Now you have got every term, let me mark it. So see, this is your x0, x1, x2 and x3, okay? This is your fx, this is y, that means fx. So this is your fx0, fx1, fx2 fx3, right? This is your del fx1, del fx2, del fx3. This is your del square fx1, because operator is del square fx2. X naught, right? So this should be x naught, x1, x2, x naught, x1, and then this is del cube fx naught, right? Now what you need to do in order to find out the value of fx as per Newton divided difference, the formula is you need to go with fx naught, okay, fx naught, and keep decreasing the factor of x minus x naught, then first operator, x minus x naught, x minus x1, then second operator, then x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2, then third operator, then third operator, and then what would be the next one? X minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, then fourth operator, right? But we have got 3 only here, so let's try with them. So what all are involved? Starting with fx naught, which is this value, right? Then x minus x naught, which is this value. So let's begin. You want to find out the value of fx, which is fx naught. What is fx naught? 12. Then x minus x naught, that means x minus 5. Then del fx naught, which is this value, right? 1. Plus x minus x naught is same, x minus 5. Then x minus x1, which is x minus 6. Then del square fx naught, which is here, minus 1 by 6. Plus x minus x naught is same, x minus 5. X minus x1 is x minus 6. Then x minus x2 is 9, right? X minus 9. Then del cube fx naught is what? Here, 1 by 20. Now solve all these values. If question would ask you that, okay, find the polynomial. So this fx, if you solve for x, then it would be your polynomial, right? But the question is asking you to find out the value at x equals 10. So just substitute the value of x as 10 here, right? So put x as 10. So it would be 12. 12 minus, this is x is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Plus again 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 minus 6 is 4 into minus 1 by 6. 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 9 is 1 by 20, right? So this has become like this. So this 12 plus, this is plus sign, right? So this is 12 plus 5. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 6. So minus 10 by 3. Plus 5 times 4 is 20. 20 will be cancelled with 20. So you have got 12 plus 5, 17 plus 1, 18 minus 10 by 3. So if you take LCM, 18 3s are 54 minus 10, 44 by 3. This is your answer. You can take it to decimal form. So now I hope you got this method right, that when you have to find out the value of interpolation, any value in between the extremes values, and for that, if unequal interval is given to you, then you can apply Newton divided difference, and it is better when you are given with many values, okay? Better than Lagrange interpolation. I hope you got this method, and if so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till my next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.